Hi everyone, welcome or welcome back to Simply PMA. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through my advanced pricing calculator template. This tool is designed to help small business owners, freelancers, and entrepreneurs set profitable prices while also understanding their break-even point. Pricing can be tricky because if your price is too low, you can lose profit, and if it's too high, you risk losing customers. That's why I built this template. It gives you a clear dashboard where you can test different scenarios, instantly see your margins, and identify your break-even point. Here how it works. First, add your product or service name. Then enter a fixed cost allocation percentage for the specific product or service, or leave it at 100 if you only have one product. Then enter a number of units of this product you are planning to produce and the desired profit margin. Please also update your sales tax rate. Then you add your variable cost per unit, such as direct labor, direct materials, and other variable costs, and the fixed costs like rent, utilities, or marketing. Fixed costs are expenses that stay the same no matter how much you produce or sell, for example, rent, salaries, insurance. Variable costs are expenses that change with the level of production or sales, for example, materials, shipping, commission. Once your numbers are in, the dashboard automatically calculates a minimum product price to break even, a product price with the desired profit margin, a number of units to sell to break even, a contribution margin per unit, and even a visual chart showing where your revenue crosses your costs. The best part of this template is a dynamic dashboard, where you can adjust your selling price and instantly see how your profit changes. You can also test different scenarios like offering discounts or increasing production. You can quickly identify the exact number of units you need to sell to cover all your expenses. This way you are not guessing, you are making data-driven pricing decisions. If you would like to try this template, you will find the link in the description below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more tutorials, and share it with anyone who might find it helpful. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.